Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be diving into the world of 401k retirement plans. One of the challenges of discussing 401ks or any retirement plan is that it involves thinking about the future and planning. Many people in their 20s, 30s or even 40s avoid planning for retirement, believing that they have plenty of time. I can remember skipping out on a 401k plan years ago because I wasn't focused on retirement, and more importantly, I did not fully understand the benefits. So in this video, I'll break down what a 401k plan is, the different types available, and how to maximize your contributions to get the most out of your 401k. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan which allows you to set aside a portion of your income in an investment account which has the potential to grow tax-free over time. But what you might not know about 401ks is that there are two types: the traditional 401k and the less common Roth 401k. The traditional 401k provides a tax benefit when the money goes into the account. This means that your taxable income is reduced, so your take-home pay is higher with a traditional 401k. If you earn $100,000 annually and you contribute $5,000 to your traditional 401k, your taxable income drops, potentially increasing your take-home pay by $1,250 if you're in the 25% tax bracket. On the other hand, the Roth 401k provides a tax advantage when you withdraw money in retirement. You contribute after-tax dollars, so your take-home pay is less, but you won't pay taxes on withdrawals. So if you contribute $5,000 to a Roth 401k, your take-home pay would be $70,000 instead of the $71,250 with a traditional 401k. Comparing a hypothetical performance of both types of 401ks over a 30-year contribution period would give you the same returns, but the benefits of the Roth 401k can be seen in the withdrawal phase. With a 12% tax rate, you would have a potential annual withdrawal in retirement of almost $46,000 from the traditional 401k compared to a withdrawal of roughly $52,000 from the Roth 401k. However, if you reinvest the tax savings into your traditional 401k, you could end up with an additional annual withdrawal amount of over $8,000, which would make the traditional 401k a slightly better option. So which option is right for you? It depends on several factors, including whether you reinvest your tax savings and your retirement tax rate. It is also influenced by where you retire, especially if your state has a state tax. If your employer offers both options, you can usually contribute to either one or both. Another crucial aspect of 401ks is the employer match. Many employers match a portion of your contributions, which is essentially free money. For example, your employer might match $1 for every $1 of the first 4% and then 50 cents for every dollar of the next 2%. So to get the full 5% match, you would need to contribute 6% to your 401k. Always aim to maximize your employer's contribution. It's leaving money on the table if you don't. Maxing out your 401k contribution limit is another important step. Many employees don't realize that they can contribute much more of their income to their 401k. In 2024, the contribution limit is $23,000. If you're making $100,000 annually and you're only contributing 6% to get the employer match, you're only contributing $6,000, which is way below the $23,000 limit. And if you are 50 or over, you get to add a catch-up contribution of $7,500. This annual limit increases each year, and the employer's contribution does not impact your annual limit. The difference between maxing out your 401k and contributing only the employer match can be substantial over time. Finally, the best time to plan for retirement, regardless of age, was yesterday, and the second best time is today. So if you're able to contribute to a 401k plan, make sure to do so. Take advantage of the employer's match and max out the annual limit. I hope you found this video helpful. See you on the next one.